How's it going, everybody? Anxious Vids back with another video. Welcome again. Thank you for coming back. Today we're going to be doing a subscriber request. This one is for Thunder Song. I know it's been a while. I know keep saying I'm going to do it. Well, we're here and I'm doing it. But before we get into that, if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, that would be amazing. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be chugging 5 cans of LaCroix. And this is the Passionfruit. These are 12-ounce cans. We're going to try to chug 5 of them in under a minute. This stuff's super carbonated, so there should be some epic burps. I'm going to open them all just so I can get some kind of leverage. Let's hear the pop. There's no crack, but there's a pop. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. I've never had LaCroix. I'm sure it doesn't taste good. Not a big fan of sparkling water. We're going to try to do 5 of these in under a minute. This for you, Thunder Song. I hope you enjoy it. Clear the mind and the throat. 3, 2, 1. Chug it. Oh. Oh, I can't get any room in my stomach. Time. Uh-oh. There was some foam. Thank you for watching the video, everybody. Thunder Song, I hope you liked that. I do not know if I did it in a minute. About 3 cans in, that got pretty difficult. There was a lot of air in my stomach. I just couldn't, it was hard to get it all down fast. But I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, comment down below, let me know what you thought, and comment suggestions you would like to see for future videos. I will see you all in the next one.